Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and in today's video, I'm going to be trying out my new Mockmill 100 flour grinder. I'm going to try out the different grind levels and sift the flour so that you can see how much hull is left afterwards, so you can get a really good idea of which level might work best for you. So let's get started. Okay, so I've already unboxed my grinder and I ran through 1/3 of a cup of white rice and discarded that. So now I'm ready to grind up some wheat berries. Right here I have some red wheat berries, and I'm going to start off with the number 10 setting. So I'm going to turn it on and then pour in 1/4 of a cup of the berries. Okay, now we have a nice coarse grind. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my sifter. Okay, I think that's everything. As you can see, we still have quite a bit in here. So I'll go ahead and put this into a bowl, and this will be our number 10 grind. So next, I'm going to do the same process on number 9. Okay, let's sift number 9. Okay, I think that's about all we have. Still got quite a bit in there. So we'll set that over next to number 10. Now let's grind at number 8. Alright, let's sift this out. This one's definitely finer. If you're wondering, this is a number 40 sifter that I'm using. Okay, that's about everything. So even what was left is a little bit finer than the 10. But we're still getting quite a bit with the 8. So let's try number 7. Now this is getting much finer. So let's see how much we get out of this one. I think we're getting there. There was less this time. Okay, now on to number 6. This is much finer this time. It's even lighter in color. So we definitely got less out with number 6. So on to number 5. Okay, that's about all we're going to get out of that one. We're getting less and less. Okay, let's give number 4 a try. This is definitely getting finer. Hey, we didn't get much out of this one at all. Looky there. Hardly any in that one. Now for number 3. Well, there's just itty bitty tiny bit left in this one. So let's try number 2. We're getting less and less. All right, so for the final grind, level number 1. So that is all I got out of the level number 1. Hardly anything at all. So what I really like about this Mockmill is that the size profile is not too big. I could actually keep it right here on the counter without it taking up too much space. So as it does have a lid to cover the chute so that nothing gets down inside of there. It's not real loud. There aren't a lot of parts to it. And here's a list of what you can grind in the Mockmill. So you can do amaranth, buckwheat, chai seeds, spelt, acorn wheat, emmer wheat, green spelt, oats, dried peas, millet, kamut, not sure how to say that, chickpeas, kidney beans, lentils, lupin seeds, corn, milo, hulled barley, long grain rice, pinto beans, quinoa, rye, soybeans, teff, white beans, wheat, anise whole, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, rosemary dried, cardamom pods, coriander seeds, cumin, caraway seeds, cloves, allspice, star anise, pepper, tonka beans, cinnamon flowers, and cinnamon sticks. So there's a wide variety of things that you can grind in the Mockmill, and that was one of the things that I really liked about it. So here we have the results of this was on number 10 and this was on number 1. Same amount of wheat berries, 1/4 cup, but a significant difference in how much was ground up. If you grind your own flour, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know what flour grinder you use and if you like it or not. Also, if you use the Mockmill, what settings you use or that you found the best results, and which type of wheat
that you found is the best for making bread. Also, please share why you went on the journey of grinding your own flour for making bread. For me, I'm new to the making bread. It was something I wanted to do because I knew that that was a healthier way of eating. And just last week, my husband was diagnosed with MS. So now I feel that it's even, more important to be cutting out the processed foods. And so that was my inspiration for getting the wheat grinder, so that I could be making my own flour, so that I could cut out as much processed food as I possibly can for the health of my husband and then also my whole family. So please share your journey down below. I'm really interested in hearing what you have to say and what motivates you for making your own flour to bake your own bread and make your own baked goods.
Well, if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. Well, until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.